Hey, hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Chalk and Duster.
Question number 5 is show that minus 1 plus root 3i cube is a real number. आता a plus b cube चा फॉर्म्युला काय आहे? a cube plus 3a square b plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. In this case our a is minus 1, b is root 3i. So just put minus 1 in place of a and b plus root 3i cube equal to a cube minus 1 cube plus 3a square is minus 1 square, b root 3i plus 3ab square, a is minus 1, b is root 3i square plus b cube is root 3i cube, which is equals to minus 1 cube is minus 1 plus 3 into minus 1 square is 1 3 into minus 1 square is 1, root 3i as it is, 3 into minus 1 is minus 3, आपण ते नंतर करूयात, minus 1 root 3i square, root 3 चा square 3 आणि I चा square minus 1, so this is minus 3. ओके, आणि root 3 cube I, root 3i cube आपण इकडे साइडला सॉल्व करून घेऊ. root 3 cube is 3 root 3 and I cube, but I cube is minus I, so minus 3 root 3i. Minus 1 plus 3 root 3i minus, this is minus 1 into minus 3 plus 9 and minus 3 root 3i as it is. So this is equals to 8, because plus 3 root 3i and minus 3 root 3i minus 1 plus 9 is 8. So this is this term minus 1 plus root 3i cube equal to 8, and we know that 8 belonging to, we know that 8 belonging to real number, therefore minus 1 plus root 3i cube is a real number. ओके, इथून स्टार्ट करायचं आणि हे पुढे लिहायचं. I hope you understand. Now next question is sixth question. Find the value of 3 plus 2 upon I raised to 6 minus I raised to 7 into 1 plus I raised to 11. आता 1 upon I आपण केलेलं आहे. 1 upon I ला मायनस आय ने मल्टिप्लाय करायचं आहे. मल्टिप्लाय बाय मायनस आय, so minus 1 into minus I into minus I is minus I square, so we get minus I. So in place of 1 upon I we just took minus I. 3 minus 2i into I raised to 6 प्लस आपण कसं लिहू शकतो, I raised to 4 into I square minus I raised to 4 into I cube 1 plus I raised to 4 square into I cube is equals to 3 minus 2i. I raised to 4 is 1 and I square is minus 1. Here I raised to 4 is 1 and I cube is minus I, so minus of minus I into I raised to 4 is 1 and I cube is minus I. So 1 minus I. This is 3 minus 2I into minus 1. Minus 1 into minus I is plus I. And here 1 minus I. Now next step is 3 minus 2I is as it is. आता आपण हे मल्टिप्लिकेशन करून घेऊया दिस टू कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर. minus 1 into 1 minus I plus I into 1 minus I, which is equals to 3 minus 2I is as it is. This is minus 1. Minus 1 into minus I is plus I. Plus I into 1 is I. Minus I square. I square is minus 1. So this is plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. 3 minus 2I into 2I. Now simple multiplication is complex multiplication. 3 into 2I is 6I. Minus 2I into 2I is 4I square. Minus 4I square. 6I minus 4I square is I square is minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 plus. So 6I plus 4. That is 4 plus 6I. In question number 7, we are not solve this example. First is I raised to 35. These are very easy example. First, third and fourth. So first is I raised to 35. त्याचा आन्सर आहे मायनस I. थर्ड I raised to 93. त्याचा आन्सर आहे I. आणि फोर्थ वन इज I raised to 116. त्याचा आन्सर आहे 1. हे होमवर्क आहेत, हे तुम्हाला सोडवायचे आहेत. If you have any doubt in this question, then please comment. Then we will make video on this questions. Okay. Now next question is question number 9. This is also very easy question. We put answer of this question. Just check, and you have to solve. You have to solve this question on your own. Okay. Now let's do question number 7. Another example. Except this 3. Now we have to do second one, which is I raised to 888. So आपण 888 ला 4 ने डिवाइड केलं. 4 2 2. Sorry, I just neglected steps. So remainder is 0. So we can write it as I raised to 4 raised to 222. This is 1. 1 raised to 222 is 1. Okay, this is second one. I hope you understand this. Now next is I raised to 403. Fifth one. I raised to 403, which is equals to divide by 4. We divide 403 by 4. 4 ones are 4. 0 0 3. This 0 is 0 over here. And 3 is 3. Again we put 0. Remainder is 3. So we write it as I raised to 4 raised to 100 into I cube, which is equal to I raised to I raised to 4 is 1. 1 raised to 100 into I cube. I cube is minus I. But we know this is 1. So 1 into minus I is minus I. So this is answer, minus I. Next question. Next is 1 upon I raised to 58. Sixth one. 1 upon I raised to 58. This we can write it as 1 upon I raised to 58. Okay. But 1 upon I is minus I raised to 58, which is equals to minus 1 raised to 58 into I raised to 58. Minus 1 raised to 58. We mentioned in previous video also, minus 1 raised to n is 1 and minus 1 if n is even, and minus 1 if n is odd. So in this example our n is minus 58, which is even. Therefore this term is plus 1 and I raised to 58. Now divide 58 by 4. 4 ones are 4. 18. 4 fours are 16. And 2 is remainder. So this we can write it as I raised to 4 raised to 14 into I square, which is equal to 1. I raised to 4 is also 1, so 1 into 1, 1. I square is minus 1. This is the answer. Is it okay? Now next one is I raised to minus 888. I raised to minus 888, which is equals to I inverse raised to 888. But we know that I inverse is 1 upon I and this is equals to minus I. त्याचं कॅल्क्युलेशन बाजूला पेन्सिलने करून घ्यायचं. I inverse is minus I raised to 888. So this is minus 1 raised to 888 and I raised to 888. Here n is even, so minus 1 raised to even पॉवरचं असली तर उत्तर 1 येतं आणि I raised to 888 लाच आपण I raised to 4 into 222. This is 1, so 1 into 1 is 1. So our answer is 1. Next question. This is 7th example. Now we will do 8 1. I raised to 30 plus I raised to 40 plus I raised to 50 plus I raised to 60, which is equal to I raised to 30 ला आपण कसं लिहू शकतो? I raised to 4 raised to 7 because 4 7s are 28 and remainder is 2. 40. I raised to 4 4 10s are 40 plus I raised to 4 12 4s are 48 and remainder is 2. I raised to 4 raised to 15 15 4s are 60. I raised to 4 is 1, so 1 raised to 7 is 1. Now I square is minus 1, so just here minus 1. Here also 1 and this is I raised, here is 1, so plus 1 plus I raised to 4 raised to 12 is 1 and I square is minus 1 and here again 1. So minus 1 plus 1, this will get cancelled. This is minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled, so answer is 0. Question number 8. Show that 1 plus I raised to 10 plus I raised to 20 plus I raised to 30 is a real number. यामध्ये तुम्हाला हे सॉल्व करायचं आहे आणि मग तुम्हाला शेवटी रिअल नंबर मिळेल आणि मग म्हणायचं वी नो दॅट दिस नंबर इज अ रिअल नंबर, देअरफॉर 1 plus I raised to 10 plus I raised to 20 plus I raised to 30 is a real number. This is homework for you. Now we solve question number 10. Simplify this equation or this terms, this complex number. I raised to 592 plus I raised to 590 plus I raised to 588 plus I raised to 586 plus I raised to 584. आता याच्यामध्ये सगळ्यात छोटी पॉवर जी आहे ती I raised to 584 आहे, तिला आपण कॉमन घेऊयात. I raised to 584 is common. Then इकडे काय येईल? I raised to 8 plus I raised to 6 plus I raised to 4 plus I square plus 1 upon. या पॉवर्स मध्ये सगळ्यात छोटी पॉवर 574 आहे. टेक इट कॉमन. I raised to 574. Here I raised to 8 plus I raised to 6 plus I raised to 4 plus I square plus 1. हे कसं झालं? 584 plus 8 is 592. 584 plus 6 is 590. 584 plus 4 is 588 and so on. Okay. Now here in the numerator and denominator these two terms are same, so this cancel out. So So we get I raised to 584 upon I raised to 574. This is equals to I raised to 584 minus 574. This will from, we know that a raised to m upon a raised to n equals to a raised to m minus n. So we use indices, formula of indices. So this is I raised to 10. Now this we will return as I square raised to 4 into I square, which is equals to minus 1, because this term is 1 and I square is minus 1. So equals to minus 1. Sorry, by mistake I written over here 2. इकडे 4 आहे आणि इकडे 2 आहे. Okay, I raised to 4 चा square is 1 and I square is minus 1. Now we solve question number 11, that is show that 1 plus I square plus I raised to 4 plus I raised to 6 up till plus I raised to 20 is 0. 1 plus I square is minus 1 plus I raised to 4 is 1. I raised to 6 is I square, because it is I raised to 4 into I square, which is I square, that is minus 1. So minus 1. And I raised to 8 is 1. I raised to 10. I raised to 10 we can write it as I raised to 4 square into I square, which is equals to minus 1. I raised to 12. I raised to 4 cube is 1. I raised to 14 is I raised to 4 raised to 3 into I square, which is equals to minus 1. I raised to 16 is I raised to 4 raised to 4 is 1. And I raised to 18 is I raised to 4 raised to 4 into I square, which is equals to minus 1. And I raised to 20 equals to I raised to 4 raised to 5, which is equals to 1. So plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1. Okay. So 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0. Okay, so answer is 0. Therefore, hence proof means we have to prove this equals to 0. We get it. Now question number 12, show that 1 plus I raised to 10 plus I raised to 100 minus I raised to 1000 is 0. This is easy. So this is homework for you. Now next question, is 1 plus I raised to 14 plus I raised to 18 plus I raised to 22 a real number? And justify your answer. So answer is yes. Question number 13. Answer is yes. It is a real number. आणि त्या 1 plus I raised to 14 plus I raised to 18 plus I raised to 22 चा answer -2 येते. So this is also homework for you. If you have any doubt in question number 12 and 13, then please comment. Now we will continue to question number 14. I raised to 37 plus 1 upon I raised to 67. We have to evaluate this complex number. Now let's evaluate. First of all, which is equals to I raised to 4 raised to 9 into I. जर आपण 37 ला 4 ने डिवाइड केलं, 4 9s are 36 and remainder is 1. Okay. Now plus 1 upon I raised to 67, यालाच आपण असं लिहू शकतो 1 upon I raised to 67, which is equals to, this is 1 into I is plus 1 upon I is minus I raised to 67, which is equals to I, plus minus I raised to 67, which is nothing but minus 1 raised to 67 and I raised to 67. This is I plus minus 1 raised to, this is 67 is odd number, therefore minus 1 raised to odd number is minus 1 and I raised to 67 ला आपण पहिले 67 ला 4 ने डिवाइड करायचं, 4 1 are 4, 27, 4 6 are 24, remainder is 3. So I raised to 4 raised to 16 into I cube. Now I plus minus 1. This is I raised to 4 is 1 and I cube is minus I. I minus 1 into minus I plus I. So I plus I, which is equal to 2I. Prove that. Next question is prove that 1 plus I raised to 4. Prove that 1 plus I raised to 4 into 1 plus 1 upon I raised to 4 is 60. हे आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करायचे. Now LHS, which is equal to 1 plus I raised to 4 into 1 plus 1 upon I. पण 1 upon I म्हणजेच मायनस आहे, तर आपण त्याच्या जागी 1 upon I च्या जागी मायनस I पुट करू. 1 minus I raised to 4. This we can write it as 1 plus I into 1 minus I raised to 4. How? So A raised to M into B raised to M, यालाच आपण A into B whole raised to M असं लिहू शकतो. Okay? Now this is 1 plus I and this is 1 minus I. 1 plus I चा conjugate 1 minus I, तर तो आपण फॉर्म्युला वापरू शकतो Z into Z bar. So 1 square plus minus 1 square raised to 4. 1 square is 1, minus 1 square is 1 raised to 4. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 raised to 4 and 2 raised to 4 is 60. Hence, this is our RHS. Hence, prove. Write it down. Now, next question number 16. Find the value of I raised to 6 plus I raised to 7 plus I raised to 8 plus I raised to 9 upon I square plus I cube. Okay. यालाच आपण which is equals to, याच्यात 6 ह्या छोटी पॉवर आहे, so we will कॉमन काढून घेऊया. 1 plus I square plus I cube upon I square is minus 1, I cube is minus I. Now I raised to 6. I raised to 6 plus आपण कसं लिहू शकतो? I raised to 4 into I square. This is 1 plus I square is minus 1, I cube is minus I upon minus 1 minus I. Now I raised to 4 is 1 and I square is minus 1. आणि इथे 1 plus I minus 1 minus I सगळे कट होत आहे. सो दिस इज 0 आणि खाली minus 1 minus I. आता कुठल्याही नंबरला जर 0 ने मल्टिप्लाय केलं तर उत्तर 0 येतो. सो आन्सर इज 0. क्वेश्चन नंबर 16 चा आन्सर आहे 0. तर क्वेश्चन नंबर 17, I hope you write down. Question number 17. If A equal to minus 1 plus root 3I upon 2 and B equal to minus 1 minus root 3I upon 2. Show that A square equal to B. Show that A square equal to B and B square equal to A. And B square equal to A. So now, first आपण A square दाखवूया. मी A square दाखवते. A square equal to B. And homework is you have to prove B square equal to A. Okay. Now let's do A square equal to B. पहले A square equal to काय येईल? minus 1 plus root 3I upon 2 into minus 1 plus root 3I upon 2. So 2 into 2 is 4. 1 by 4 you get -1 plus √3i the square. Now apply formula of a plus b square. A plus b square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, here our a is -1, so -1 square plus 2 into a is -1, b is √3i plus √3i square is equal to 1 by 4 into -1 square 1, 2 into -1 -2, -2 into √3 is -2 √3i, and √3i चा square, √3 square is 3 and I square is -1, so this is -3. Okay, now 1 by 4, 1 minus 3 real part, -2 √3i. आता 2 कॉमन काढून घेऊयात. 2 by 4 -1 minus √3i, so 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, so this is -1 minus √3i upon 2, but we know that this is our b, therefore a square equal to 4, b, hence proved. Similarly you can show that b square equal to a. Now we will proceed to next example, 18th one, slightly tricky. Let's do that. 18. If x plus iy equal to a plus ib cube, show that x upon a plus y upon b equal to 4a square minus b square. Now solution is, सगळ्यात आधी a plus b cube चा formula is what? a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b. X plus iy equal to a cube plus 3a square ib plus 3ab square, 3a ib चा square plus ib cube, which is equals to a cube plus 3a square b I, and here I square is -1, so minus 3ab square plus ib cube. ib cube is I cube b cube, so is a cube, हे रियल पार्ट इकडे जवळ आणलं, 3ab square plus 3a square b I, and this is I cube is minus I and b cube as it is, so a cube minus 3ab square plus I 3a square b minus b cube. These two complex numbers are equal if, by equality of complex number, what we'll get? X equal to a cube minus 3ab square and y equal to 3a square b minus b cube. A common काढला, a square minus 3b square, x equal to, and here y equal to, इथे b common निघतोय, so b is 3a square minus b square. Now x upon a is a square minus 3b square and y upon b equal to 3a square minus b square. आपल्याला काय दाखवायचे? x upon a plus y upon b. So consider x upon a plus y upon b. पण x upon a काय? a square minus 3b square आणि y upon b is 3a square minus b square. Now this term. So a square plus 3a square is 4a square. 3b square and b square is minus 4b square. 4 common kadla. 4a square minus b square. Hence prove x upon a plus y upon b equal to 4 into a square minus b square.